I say that you're going to get me, and I don't have my glasses on. Boo boo.
There's my bird, Rico. Say hello, Rico. Oh, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. He wants to type on the keyboard. Up.
Ow!
Okay, this video is going to be on my bird, Rico. I like to go, Ricola.
Hello. Hello, my name is Remo.
Ricola.
And I got sharp-ass claws.
Dog doesn't like birds. The dog does not like birds, and birds do not like dogs. Get him, Jay. Get him. Both of the dogs are dead. Hey, let's show what this bird does. Oh, baby, don't
get off, mommy.
I don't care. Oh, God. Look what... Wow!
Aww. It's okay, baby.
Come here, Rainbow. Let me see.
It's okay.
Aw, you're so cute together.
It's okay.
Love birds forever. You're touching his eyeball.
This dog does not like birds.
You're out. My bird's safe up here. Go down. It's okay, the doggies can't get you up there. See, they can't. Come here, Rainbow. I know I'm not safe. Just look. Watch what this bird does. Okay, so he used to, like, open his beak and be like, forget you! Let's see what our birds do together. My bird doesn't like my other bird. Rainbow, the colorful one, does not like Rico. He does not like Rico. JJ! Oh God, you're scaring the birds. The birds! The animals! Ah! They're all so crazy! JJ, stop being a gay person. I'm not gonna put my poor birds through this. Oh, Rico! It's okay, Rico. Look at his wings are up. You're safe right here. And Rainbow's like, hey, you're on my mommy stuff. Rainbow does not like Rico. Rainbow's about to poop. Rainbow's about to poop. You should have saw my mom's face. Take off the jacket. Oh, there's poop right there where your mouth is. And it's stuck in her hair. And Rico is walking around on the desk. Oh! My bird pooped on my mom's phone. My bird pooped on my mom's phone. Oh! Sorry, Mom. My bird pooped on your phone. Because he just hates technology these days because it gets in the way. He's chewing on the button. Rico, you like the button? My bird took a crap on my mom's phone. I guess that's a good pooping area because no animals like it because it gets in the way of their free time. Rico. Pretty bird.
Rainbow. 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 Hello, Rainbow.
Let's see if I can zoom in.
Hello, Rainbow. Hello, Rainbow.
My bird's on the modeling. I'm a model. I'm a sexy bird. Sexy and I know it. Oh, 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 oh. And here's the dog, Charlie. He's fluffy. He likes to be fluffy. And here's Rainbow. He likes to be him. Pet his stomach.
Hello, Rainbow.
See, he likes it. He likes his tummy rubbed. Rub your tummy lumps. Rub your tummy lumps. You can't eat me, you can't. Then he flew to his mouth. My bird is up. My birdies. See, the dogs aren't here, so now my bird can go down. Ricola. Say bye, everybody. Rico is the star of this video.